kanong ba shilong hakajan mit si baan kala sawa jam de kisur jingrwai jong Byran Adams unong rai ba paunam na kari Canada ubalawan kanang syakani ke jela kabala paunam keleng haka jingla ban kring ya kinong rai ba paunam haka pertai hadu ba kanayo ya kanam kum kanong ba ka ba it ba ya karwai ka siaw ringkat bat u Byran Adams ki pat baru kila yo ba nek men lang da ka ba rwai lang kham tamile ki jingrwai ba paunam jong u kum ka summer of 69 nangta ka everything I do it for you heaven so happy it hurts but kiwe la sakiru hakani kasi ki patba ki bawan syakani ka tamasa kim de satya tang na Meghalaya Henry kilawan jana baro ki jela jong kathan chate la mingi jong kari danru ki nong jingo kai perthai ki bawan na ki we kiri ki bawan ban lek men lang what happening ka jingkriat tasam Henry ki patba kilay shad ya kamen but yar wai lang nadu kabasdang tat hadu kabakut jong katay ka rinsan ruai kabalane kumba arkenta AA.
True. been waiting for you. Here I am. Here we are, we've just begun, and after all this time, our time has come. Yeah, here we are, still going strong, right here in the place where we belong. Oh, it's a new world, it's a new start, it's alive in the beating of your heart. It's a new day, it's a new plan. I've been waiting for you, waiting. Oh, here I am. Myself and my band, we are delighted to be back here in India and especially in Sri Lanka. Thank you so much for coming. Now we have quite a long show, so I hope you don't have to get up in the morning, and we've got going to try and fit in as many songs as we can. This is a song I wrote for my father. My father passed away about 5 years ago. And this is a song, the idea of the song is that as we go